I'm David Daugherty, the founder, president, and CEO of Povera Loads Logic. My focus on structure and clarity has been with me from the start. I realized the aerospace process was broken from the very start. It took me about 15 years to figure out why, and another 5 years to figure out how to fix it. At every company I've worked at before, the level of complexity necessitated so much coordination that it became impossible to get any of the work done. I realized we needed to have a channel to trade information behind the scenes so that everybody could stay synced up. Watching engineers struggle inside this chaotic process has been really painful. My whole career, I've seen my friends one after another burn out, leave the industry. When the environment becomes so chaotic and complex, it just has an absolutely crushing effect on morale. And not only does that affect attrition, but also affects engagement. It's really hard to innovate and change the world when you can't get and keep your engineers engaged. Good engineering should feel more like art than science. We should not have to be data scientists. We should be able to focus on what we know and focus on the product and the mission. Povera seeks to reduce the noise level on complex engineering projects so that we have more signal to work with. When people talk about AI in engineering, they're concerned about AI is going to take our jobs. That's not going to happen. That's never going to happen. Once Povera succeeds, engineering is going to look completely different. You're going to be able to have small teams of people crack out a new design. We're going to be able to try new ideas faster, try more ideas faster. We're going to do more projects. There will never be a shortage of big things to do. The challenge with AI today is that it can very confidently give you grossly inaccurate results. So structure is absolutely critical for the future of engineering and AI. We need to have guardrails so that we can have human supervised AI implementation. Once we can interconnect all the data and get it continuous, we can really change this from a step function to an exponential function. We can build a system that does the work and let the data flow through the system. I want to see humanity take on projects that I can't even imagine. Engineering is going to look completely different. You're going to be able to have small teams of people crack out a new design. We're going to be able to try new ideas faster, try more ideas faster. We're going to do more projects. There will never be a shortage of big things to do. I'm really motivated to bring solutions to the industry to make things just less chaotic. I want engineers to be able to focus on the mission, to understand exactly how their efforts contribute to the overall system, to the safety of the system, to the passengers, the customers. Povera is a hybrid aerospace and software development company. We have deep domain expertise and we're building the solutions the industry needs. Povera really represents the industry stepping out, stepping away to create the solutions to its own problems.